Your company maintains an on-premises facility in Seattle and an Azure subscription with an active Network Watcher instance in the West US2 region. You are required to track network latency from the on-premises site to both the West US2 and East US2 Azure regions using the most efficient administrative approach. What is the necessary first action? Option A, execute the get-AZ Network Watcher Connection Monitor command. Option B, execute the get-AZ Network Watcher Reachability Providers List command. Option C, deploy a Network Watcher instance within the East US2 region. Option D, provision a Connection Monitor instance in the West US2 region. Let us examine the core concept behind this scenario. Azure Network Watcher is a regional service designed to monitor and diagnose network conditions. When you need to monitor connectivity or latency involving specific Azure regions, the infrastructure supporting those monitoring capabilities must be properly established where your resources or target endpoints reside. Consider how regional scope dictates resource deployment before you can configure monitoring tools across multiple geographic locations. In my view, the correct answer is option C. Deploy a Network Watcher instance within the East US2 region. This is the correct first step because Network Watcher is a regional service in Azure. To utilize monitoring features like Connection Monitor for connectivity reaching into a specific Azure region, a Network Watcher instance must exist in that region. Since you already have one in West US2, but need to monitor latency to East US2 as well, you must first provision the Network Watcher service in the East US2 region. IT instructor explaining a certification exam question to students. Explain which answer is correct and why. Options A and B are incorrect because they are PowerShell commandlets for retrieving data from existing resources and are not relevant for initial infrastructure configuration. Option D is incorrect because provisioning a Connection Monitor instance is an action to perform only after the monitoring infrastructure has been properly set up in both target regions.